Hi and welcome to Lesson 3 of WooCommerce Local Pickup Plus, Pickup Appointments and Lead Time Configuration. In this video, I will show you how to set up pickup appointments and lead times in WooCommerce Local Pickup Plus. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Shipping. Select Local Pickup Plus. Scroll down to Pickup Appointments. Let's set up Pickup Appointments. Go to Pickup Appointments mode and enable appointments. Pickup Appointments mode. Choose if appointments are optional or required. Appointment duration. In appointment durations, we have durations like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or any time during open hours. In default business hours, you can define your store's opening and closing time. For example, on Monday, the first time is the opening time and the second time is the closing time. You can also schedule Saturday and Sunday if you want. Scroll down to Common Public Holidays. In Common Public Holidays, you can choose holidays when pickup is unavailable, like Christmas or New Year's Day. Now let's configure lead time. Default lead time. Minimum waiting time before an order can be picked up. You can set the default lead time in minutes, hours, days, weeks, or months. Lead time calculation. Choose if lead time counts only open hours or all calendar days. Count only open hours. Lead time pauses outside business hours and on holidays. Count calendar days. Lead time ignores business hours and holidays. Default deadline. Minimum time before an order can be picked up. You can select the default deadline in hours, days, weeks, or months. Once the details are added, scroll down and click on Save Changes. And that's it. You have now set up pickup appointments and lead times for your store. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital